Hi everybody, how are y'all doing today? It is Friday and I'm a little sad that I'm not having my FNL. I'm better, I'm up and about. I've gotten some errands done around camp and I'm happy about that. I'm not in bed. It is my first day in over a week to not be in bed, and so we're celebrating that. But I'm missing that I'm not getting to hold my FNL, but there is no way that I could talk for that long. I just wanted to show you around camp. We put up my Starlink today. We put it down on the ground because I've got to go into town tomorrow and get propane, and so I didn't want to put it up on the roof and then get it back down. We've been sitting out here and had our morning coffee out here and really enjoyed that. And you can see the hummingbird feeder over there, and there's another one over there, and I refilled those today and that felt really good. I did dishes. I've been very industrious and compared to how I've been lately, but I just wanted to show you around camp. Some of you have wondered if I have valley fever, and I don't. So it's not valley fever, you guys, and I'm getting better slowly but surely, and I sure do appreciate all of the well wishes again. And I just have the most wonderful viewers in the world, and how could I not be getting better with this place that we get to hang out? I wanted to show you that the guy, while we were gone, worked some more on the trail. Jana, Frugal RV Gal, might have showed you this on her channel. Go check that out too. But when we left, the trail was up there, and now it has come down here and goes along and goes right down there to that. That's where he's at right now, past that tree. So it is just a beautiful, beautiful day. And I just wanted to touch base with you. Jana is fixing us some sort of special surprise chicken sandwich, and I'm really looking forward to that. I haven't had an appetite. It's a heck of a way, I guess, to lose weight, but I'll take it if I can get it. But I'm actually looking forward to eating. I haven't felt like eating. Nothing has tasted good. I haven't wanted anything. So this is going to be a special treat. And let me know what you're up to and what you're going to be doing this weekend and what you think of our beautiful, beautiful campsite that I am recovering in. Looking forward to speaking at the RTR, and looking forward to my book signing booth at Tyson Wells. I will definitely be well enough for all of that. What I did today was I cooked turkey for Sammy and Bandit. Bandit is still on a bland diet, but he is continuing to get better and better. Bando, you want to say hi to everybody? Bandit. Bandito. Come here, buddy. He says, I don't want to come out in the bright sun. Come on. Come on. Are you sleeping? Oh, it's a poor baby. He says, Mama, I was sleeping and I woke you up. I'm sorry. You can go back to sleep. All right, everybody. We'll see you down the road. Keep on keeping on. Nuggets, not chicken sandwich.
Oh, did you say in the video or something?
Yeah.